Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, January the 18th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So three puzzles left. The binary, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And this one, the 4 stars Sudoku, I will start in a minute. And this will be number 5813. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has one less than the previous Sudoku. 24 printed digits, all right. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First, let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 2 fives. We have here 2 sixes. We have here 2 3 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So it's divided. Let me scan. Let me start with the 1. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay. Then 6, 6, 7, 7, 7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in the second row, so no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5, 5, okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there in the last column. Here, or there. We see another 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 2, 2, 2. Let me scan. 8, 8, 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 3, 3, 3. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Then 8, 6, 1, 9, 9, 9. Okay. Think. 4, 4, 4. 4, 5, 7, 7, 7. I'm thinking. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. Come on. 7, 7. Yeah. 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 and 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in these two boxes. The 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes in this big square. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and an 8, 6 and the 8. That means we have two missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. So we need a 4 there. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing numbers is 2 in the third row. We have a 2 in this second column, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there, here or there. You see another 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2 and a 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box should be a 3 then. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. 4 in this last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in that row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1, 1, 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this third column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6, all right. Okay. Then 4 and 5, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, okay. 3, 3, 2, 9, 8, 2, 9, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. And look, we have an 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. The 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 1 and 5, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. 1 box left in this row for the number, I believe the 4. Yeah, 4 in this row, first row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3, 8. Right. Yeah, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 middle column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. All right. Then. Let me see. 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. 6 is also missing. 6, 6. 6, 6. And 5 is missing. 5, 5. Difficult. Well, we have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. This is number 2, number 1. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 9. 5, 6, 9, 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9, 9. Here should be the 9. 9. 5, 6, 9. Well. 5, 5, 5, 5. Well. 6, 6. Come on. 7, 7, 7. Well, 7. 7. Come on. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here, 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 and a 9, we have a 7 now in the third, in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. So 2 missing numbers in the last row. I believe the 6 and 8. 6 and the 8 are missing. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8. Believe. Well, 5, and 7, 4. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and a 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the second column, so no 5 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and the 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Then. Let me think. Here should be also 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9, 5, 9, and 6. Yeah. Well, we need to wait. 6. Okay, 6. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 6, 3, 5. 3, 3. Come on. This is taking too long. 6, 9, 1, 7, 4. Yeah. The 7 is not 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7s will be here or there. You see here 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 to go. 1 to go. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 6. 1 box left in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 now in the middle row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, surprising. Although it has 1 less digit. So is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on with the other 2 puzzles, especially the binary. I'm interested this time. Less printed digits. Okay. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, see you later. Bye-bye for now.